Yo, YouTube, what's up? It's your boy G Money, aka Mr. Bluewell, aka Mr. Pips. No, just kidding. So guys, I'm making this video today. Today is October 2nd, 2024. I really wanted to start the video yesterday, but it was like my last day at work. Just a little bit about me. I've been trading for man, since 2014, 2015. Well, I got into trading. I first heard about it in like 2013. And then I think I'm like I started to do it in 2014, but I didn't really like go all the way through because I was really skeptical with it. 2015, I saw all these um gurus and stuff like that, and a whole bunch of people on YouTube and Instagram saying how successful they were trading. So I tried to do it myself. I created an account with Hugo's Way, I believe, and like my first couple of trades are actually successful. I put $1,000 in there, and I think I made like $500 in my first couple of trades or something. So I was like, whoa, this is crazy. I had like minimal knowledge of what I was doing or how to even, find proper trade setups and things like that. But all that to say, I blew my first account. Then fast forward a little later, I tried to do it again, blew another account. Then I was like, all right, man, I'm gonna just try to do these demo accounts. And then, like when you're not making real money and you're like treating it as a job, you're basically working for free because you're trying to like learn a skill. So it's like practicing, if you will. Like it's almost very equivalent to, you know, people who want to become NFL or NBA players and they got to put in the pain, they got to go to the gym and work out and practice. But when it comes to money, we have bills and things like that, and it's just like, man, like you really have to dedicate a certain amount of time to trading in order to really grow with this thing. So, let's fast forward right before the pandemic. I heard about prop firm challenges like FTMO, my Forex funds or something like that. I forgot the exact name, but there were a couple of prop firms out here, and they were like getting all the attention. Oh, you can spend $300 and get a $50,000 account. Oh, you could spend $600 and get $100,000 account. Well, yeah, sign me up. So I did that. I'm not gonna lie, like that was horrible. I think I blew like no exaggeration. I think I blew about 10 of those accounts. And the reason being is it was very difficult for me to trade with their parameters. Like you can't risk a certain amount of pips, otherwise you'll lose your trading account. They want you to make like 10% of the account within a month, I believe. And it's tough because you can only risk, I believe it was like no more than like 4 or 5% of the total account in one day. So then that kind of um changes the way you're going to trade, right? There's certain pips and certain lot sizes you can't take because if you take these lot sizes, then of course you'll blow the account. But anyways, long story short, I've been studying, man. I've been practicing. I've lost so much over the years, and I finally found a method that works very well for me. And like now I'm just ready to put it to the test. So that's what this video is all about. My journey of becoming the best Forex trader in the world. Basically my strategy is very simple. Monday through Friday, I'm looking to find small entries on the 1 minute time frame using price action. And sometimes I use indicators such as RSI and use some divergence and all that good stuff like that. But for the most part, it's going to be price action. And then I'm going to mix that in with swing trading. Like every week or every other week, I'm going to look for a swing trade, like a good setup for a swing trade. Now on the day trades, I'm only going to risk like 1% of my account per trade. And on the swing trade, I'm going to risk 5% of my account on each trade. So without further ado, that basically sums up my strategy. I'm going to take you to the broker. So we're going to do this together. Man, I wish I could move this thing at the top. I'm like, I don't even know how to use. Hold on. Oh yeah, there we go. Cool. Can I just, yeah, move that to the bottom. All right, so man, my computer is like freezing. Okay, there we go. Just want to show you today's date. This is going to be like a 90-day challenge or something like that. Really, really my goal is to turn $1,000 to $10,000. So whenever I complete that, it could be 90 days, it could be 30, like, so that's my goal. And once I'm able to do that, then I'll actually put $1,000 of my real cash money into the account and try to grow it to 10,000. So, but for the next 30 to 90 days, I will be giving you like daily trade logs between Monday through Friday. I won't trade holidays, and I will not trade if Powell is speaking. If Powell's speaking or it's holiday, yeah, I trust me, you don't want to trade on those days. There's nothing going on holidays really, and then when Powell speaks, the market just goes crazy. Sometimes even the day after he speaks, it's like the market just like a mad show. Anyways, this is called Plexi Trade. This is the broker that I use. They were originally LQDFX, but sometime I believe last year or the beginning of this year, they merged over to Plexi Trade because MT4 is having this thing where it's not allowing certain brokers to um any longer trade on their platforms and things like that. So yeah. All right, so boom, USD. We're trading on MetaTrader 4. For this account, I'm just going to do gold. Right now in this video, I'm not going to go over the differences between micro, silver, and gold. You either come to the website and look it up yourself, or I'll go over it in another video. Me personally, I like to do the 1 to 200 leverage account, and then we're going to do $1,000 account, and that's easy. That's how easy it is to create an account. Boom. All right, let's hop over to the charts. This is some things that I was looking at today. Um, I didn't take any trades, but see, let's see. So I think Powell spoke yesterday, and this is exactly what I mean. Hold on. This is Forex Factory. This is like another like a gym if you're trading. Um, Chairman speaks. I know Powell spoke this week. I'm almost positive. Oh, yep, there he goes. So I just want you guys to see, like, look at the market, right? You see how it's like going back and forth, back and forth. I'm gonna erase everything so you can see. It is very hard and very difficult to make money when the market does this, when it ranges back and forth like this, with no clear structure as to what is support and what is resistance. Um, the best way, this is how you really make money in the market. Let me see. I'm gonna go on a larger time frame so you can see it better. But let me give you a good example. So here, right? You see how the market is just trending up, making higher highs and higher lows. Let me see if I can get my little trend line thing. Oh, you know what? I'll get the little, where is this thing so I could draw on it. Oh, here we go, brush. All right. So making higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, and so on, right? So this is this would be considered like one of the best market conditions to trade in, right? Now, also too, while the market is doing this, hold on, let me show you something. You want to make sure that it correlates to what's going on a larger time frame. So let's see, on a 4 hour time frame, what is the market doing? It's going up. On a daily time frame, what is the market doing? It's going up. So whenever you see things like this is the best time to enter trades. Like you want to follow suit. You want to follow what the market is doing. You don't want to go off and do your own thing. Like some people like would be like, oh, okay, this big rejection market, the market is about to go back down. You don't know that. Your chances of um following the market and just staying bullish would be way higher than just guessing like a 1 in a million chance that the market is just going to stop right here and then heading downwards. There's no way to really know that. The only way to have some type of idea that the market will be going down is by finding levels where the market hit and dropped very low. But even here, right? So you see how the market hit here and then it, pulled back and dropped down quite a bit. Then it came back to this point and broke past it. Now you're thinking in your head like, yo, what's going on? Like, this is a 4 hour daily resistance. It hit this level and then it shot past it. Like it should be going down. And eventually it did, but it didn't go down as much as it did the initial time. But anyways, let's get back on track, right? Um, Whenever you see higher highs and higher lows, that's a great thing. That means that the market is ranging or like, it's more optimal conditions to make money. Another thing I like is the combination of the moving average, right? So every time it hits the moving average, it bounces off. This is when the moving average is like the best thing, right? Sometimes it's not, like when the market is just going sideways and it's just a whole bunch of back and forth type stuff, you really don't really get any real benefit out of it. But once it hits here and it starts making higher highs and higher lows, and then every time it hits it, it bounces off, then that's when this thing is just like super powerful. All right. I don't want to drag this video. I don't even know how long I've been recording. But guys, basically that's it in a nutshell. This is my journey to be one of the most successful traders, the most successful trader in the world. Um, and you know, I've made so many mistakes, and I hope if you're watching this and you've made as much mistakes as I have or are starting to make these mistakes, dude, just get a demo account. Get a demo account, practice, practice, practice. I don't care what you do in life, whether it's a doctor, whether it's a lawyer, real estate, sales, whatever. There's some point in your life where you're gonna have to practice without making any money. So it makes zero sense to use real money to practice with when you can use a demo account. And that way you don't have to risk your own capital. You want to get to a point where you understand yourself and you understand the market a little bit better to where you're like, all right, I got this. I'm only going to stick to this strategy. I'm not going to bounce all over the place and try to do a different strategy every day. Like, you get what I'm saying? So find a strategy that works for you, get a demo account, practice that strategy. Gotta be at least 30 days. I don't want you to think you can practice the strategy for a week and like, oh, you got it. No, like at least 1 month. Give yourself 1 month. All right, that's it. I will be posting live trades again Monday through Friday, with the exception of holidays and if Powell speaks. If you have any questions, hit me up. I could do one-on-ones. I could teach you guys this. Um, and yeah, man. Thanks for tuning in. Make sure to subscribe. You know, all the YouTubers say that, so like I gotta say that too. All right, guys. Peace.